Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. My name is Naomi. If this is your first time seeing me, you're so welcome. I'm a YouTuber based in Benin City, Nigeria. Today I will be relaxing my hair. This is not the first, second, or third. I think this should be my third time doing it, and I've always been sticking to one relaxer. I've been using Nature's Gentle Touch for over a few years now. But today I got the olive kit relaxer. I got this because I couldn't find the one I'm used to. So yeah, let's check it out. Cut through. Right, okay, so first things first, you see inside is a latest glove and a spatula, oil moisturizing lotion, creamy aloe shampoo, wrap set mousse. Wow, this is nice. And replenishing pack. Step 3, it's a penetrating hair conditioner, helps to increase moisture and repair damaged hair. Okay, and that's what it looks like. Next thing I'm seeing is the activator, and this is what it looks like. And of course, this is the relaxer itself. That's it. That's everything in there. Oh, I think from the carton I can actually see some instructions written inside it, like instructions that you can follow. Nice. Actually, I had to like tear up the carton of the olive relaxer so that I can read the instructions carefully. And as you can see, these are the instructions. Because this is my first time using this relaxer and I do not want to do anything outside of the instruction here, which is very, very important. So I already know the amount of time I'm going to leave the relaxer on my hair for, and I already know my hair type. I know my hair is fine to medium texture. Sometimes my new growth can be very, very stubborn and coarse, so I already pat my hair in sections, and as you can see, I already based my hairline round with a hair cream that contains lots and lots of oil. So, and I also based my scalp as well, and I detangled my hair itself, because if you see my last video, I twisted my hair in sections while I was taking down my protective style. So I took down those twists and I detangled the hair very gently, step by step. I did not get close to my scalp at all. I was just detangling the hair itself so that it would be easy for me to pass through and apply the relaxer.
Wonder how we start all over. I won't be quick to jump the gun, running around with all my emotions. Want me to be honest with you? I could have said the same. Don't wanna wait under these bridges that we've burned gray. Hold me close, tell me, are you listening? I feel so low. The floor and ceiling's closing in on final notice.
So I'm going to head to the bathroom now and start. I will start in with this part of my hair first, because I divided this side into 3 and this side into about maybe 4, because there are some part of the hair here that are so thick. So yeah, let's go do that, and I'll come and show you guys what my hair is looking like before I rinse it off. I already went ahead to apply the relaxer to this part of my hair. I applied it to this side of my hair first, and I went ahead to wash it off. The reason why I did this is because I don't think I'm fast enough, because of the undergrowth that I have. It's kind of difficult for me to like go through the parts. So I decided to just do one part and do the other side at different times, so that I don't exceed the time. All right, so another thing I did was to maybe correct some of my under processed hair that I already have before from my previous relaxer sections. So I corrected all of that. Hopefully everything turns out great. So I'm going to wash it off now and I'll be right back. So I'm back, and this is what my hair looks like. I cannot exactly tell if I did a good job yet, but the next step is to apply this conditioner to my hair, and that's what it looks like.
Sealers closing in on final notice. Put all of my focus in you. You let it all slip away. Got nothing to lose.